Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are unboxing some goodies from Adwoa Beauty. Keep on watching. So before we get into the unboxings, I do want to make sure that you all know that I am a part of Adwoa Beauty's Editor Squad, which is their very first ambassador program. So excited to be a part of the squad. I will link my little video that I created. Let's do that now. I am so excited to announce that I am part of the Adwoa Beauty Editor Squad. Make sure you use the link in my bio to save some coins on these amazing products. My discount code is TYNISH, T-Y-N-I-S-H. You can save 15% on these amazing products. So with being a part of the Adwoa Beauty Editor Squad, I do get my own storefront with all of my favorite Adwoa Beauty products. When you go to my storefront, you can see how I've used those products and examples of hairstyles that I've created with those products. So make sure you check it out, as well as a discount code, which I'll put on the screen above, which you can use to save some coins on these amazing products. Now let's get into the unboxing. First up is my Editor Squad welcome box. So I have already opened this box, of course, because I couldn't wait to get into it, but we are going to unbox it for you here. So in the box is a handwritten note, which I absolutely love. It says, Tynish, happy to have you on our Editor Squad, the Adwoa Beauty team. Welcome to the Adwoa Beauty Editor Squad. Absolutely love this, and handwritten note is just top tier for me. So inside of the box, we have one of my favorites. We have the Melon Berry Hair Milk, which I absolutely love. I'll link some videos up above of me using this product. So this is going to be number 2 for me. So I'm so excited about this. Smells absolutely amazing. Great one and done styler. Super moisturizing, definitely gets the job done. Then next in the box, we have the Blue Tansy Reparative Conditioner. I absolutely love the Blue Tansy hair mask, as well as the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner and the serum. All of Adwoa Beauty products are just bomb. So if you haven't tried them, make sure you check them out. But this is the reparative conditioner. I have not tried this product yet, so I'm definitely excited about trying this. And then next up, I have another one of the 360 continuous mist sprayers, which I also absolutely love. Let me just take it out so that you guys can see how cute this is. Packaging is absolutely everything. And then it says Adwoa Beauty on the other side. So now I have a backup. And then also we have some pens, which are super cute. Absolutely love these. And then last but certainly not least, you know the girlies love a good bag. So we have a super cute Adwoa Beauty tote bag. How cute is this? Perfect for my Adwoa Beauty products. So that is box number 1. This is my Editor Squad welcome box. Now on to box number 2. Okay, here we are opening box number 2. This one has not been opened yet, but I did order these things, so I do know what's inside. But we're unboxing it together. So again, I absolutely love the packaging. It says my hair grows like this, Adwoa Beauty. So cute. Of course, there's my packing slip. And then we have some stickers. Super cute. Let's get inside of this box. So excited for this. I got the Melon Berry Hair Milk Mini. So I can take her everywhere with me. Super cute, absolutely love this. I absolutely have to open this box up. This, how cute is this? Must have. Must have for all of your travel needs. Also in the minis, I got the Blue Tansy Clarifying Shampoo and Conditioner. Spring is upon us. Travel season is upon us. So I'll definitely be taking these minis with me. So we got the Blue Tansy Shampoo and Conditioner and the Melon Berry Hair Milk in the travel size. And then I also got this cute little box. This is the Bailment Trial Kit. So it comes with all of the products in the Bailment line. Comes with the Bailment Moisturizing Shampoo, Deep Conditioning Treatment, Leave-In Conditioning Styler, Moisturizing Curl Defining Cream, Bailment Protect and Shine Oil Blend, and also the Curl Defining Gel. So I have tried some of these products, but not all of them. So I'm definitely excited to get into them. So let me show you what it looks like. This kit is super cute. And I tell you, their packaging is just phenomenal. Not only for the girlies, but for the guys as well. So definitely can't wait to get into this kit. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments section, which product are you most excited to try? Don't forget to visit my storefront, which I will link in the description box, as well as my discount code I'll put on the screen above and in the description box so that you can save some coins on these amazing products. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.